Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily turn on or, on the contrary, turn off the flashlight on your Android phone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments and put likes. So, let's get started. In order to turn on or off the flashlight on your Android phone, you need to swipe from top to bottom on the right side of the screen. This will take you to the widget menu. Here, you can see the flashlight. In order to turn it on, tap on it to activate it. And as you can see, the flashlight has been turned on. Now, in order to turn it off, you need to do the same motion. Just pull it down and press off. Your flashlight also on your Android phone may not be in this kind of menu, but at the top, in this kind of bar menu. And you will have to swipe from right to left to find it in such a menu. Also, if you don't find the flashlight in these quick widgets, you'll need to swipe down, swipe up, and you might find the flashlight just below. Also, if you don't find the flashlight at all, or you'd like to move it to a more convenient place for you, you'll need to click on the three dots or the pen sign in the upper right-hand corner. And then Edit. And as you can see, that brings you to this widget menu. And here you can either move, for example, as you can see, I moved the flashlight, now it's here. You can also remove some of the widgets that are added here, or you can add them. That is, if you have not found the flashlight, for example, you can find it here. Click on the plus sign, it will be added to your favorites. And then you can use it now, go back, and as you can see, the changes are instantly saved. This is a very simple way to friends you can turn on or off the flashlight on your Android. I hope this video was useful to you. Please do not forget to put your likes, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.